I'm going to show you the best travel backpack for content creators, and we're starting right now. Yes guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is Olley. If you guys are new here, I make videos documenting my life running an online business and content creator. If you have followed the channel, you'll know that I have been traveling for the last 3 months and have of course been taking my laptop and 3 cameras, and also the clothes that I was literally carrying for traveling the whole time. So I thought this was a pretty relevant video for me to make. I wanted to talk about the backpack that I used the whole time that I was there. Now I'm not talking about the backpack I traveled with, like took all of my clothes with. I'm talking about my rucksack that I use on a day-to-day basis, not even when I wasn't traveling. If I'm going to clients, or I'm just going out, if I'm going into London or anything, even if I'm literally popping to a coffee shop or literally anything I need to take my laptop or a camera, I use this bag. So this is the rucksack itself. It's got Caden written on it, so I'm gonna find the link and I'm gonna put it in the description for you, but we'll do a little close-up of the bag. But this is the bag to start. I wanted to really just give it an honest review, because I feel like this isn't something that people would really do, but this genuinely, if you was to put in a price comparison, this has probably saved me so much money in terms of me carrying all of my equipment around. I actually used to carry a duffel bag with a camera in it, and I managed to smash my lens for the camera I'm actually using right now. I managed to smash my lens when I was working in the gym, and I literally just put my camera down and it smashed it. So from the offset, the best thing about this straight away is the straps. The fact that you've got these straps that can just go around you and you can tighten these up really tight. So when I was at one point I was literally walking through Thailand like this, and I had this all strapped up. This was really good. Another thing is these things on the back. It's got these hooks on the back. When I go to the airport, I always like to wear sliders, the flip-flops. But obviously sometimes you don't want to walk around the airport wearing them, so I usually wear trainers, and then what I do is I get my sliders and I put them into the bottom of here. This bit is so meant to be used for tripods and stuff. Yeah, I literally had my sliders in this bottom bit, pulled it really tight, and so. And even when we went to the beach one day when we was out there in Australia, I literally just rolled the towel up and put it in the bottom of this, which is really handy. So this has got multiple uses. If you have a yoga mat like I've got down there, for example, not that I do yoga at all, you can literally just have the mat in the bottom of this as well. But yeah, the main thing I wanted to show you about this bag was the juicy compartment. This is what I enjoy, I like it for the most. It's not a regular rucksack. The best part about it is you've got this sliding out panel. Now this is so powerful because in here you can literally have, let's say for example, this was the Sony a6300, what I'm currently filming on. You got a GoPro, you got a Minnow HD. This is one of the first cameras I ever bought, which is pretty cool. Let's say you literally wanted to store all of these in here. You can have these just in the slide out thing and put this straight in the bottom. And this is what usually holds the a6300, so that goes straight in there like so, which is really good. On the side we've got pockets as well, so I had a power bank in here all of the time, which is pretty good. And you can see the way that I've got this set up at the moment is sort of my day-to-day use for it, because on the right hand side I usually have my MacBook charger, so the power bank thing here, and then in this bit here I have the Sony a6300, which I'm currently filming off. So this goes in the bottom, which is really good because to give you a little example, and this has happened to me while we was traveling as well, I literally had to do this a few times. If you're walking down the road and you literally see something, you need to get your camera out, you can literally just go like this, boom, boom, boom. That's a 3-step process to filming. And that's how quick you can literally do that. Literally, this is a really good bag. If you're using a normal rucksack, I honestly would say to get a bag like this. We'll do like a little close-up of this inside, but if I just show you from the offset here, I've got my sunglasses in this bit. Oh my god, that's jokes. So I literally haven't gone into that pocket since we since we got back from Thailand. Well, you do know at the moment, let's be honest, with the whole hype. We was very scared about the coronavirus while we was out there, so we had to obviously wear them. In here, the best thing about this is the fact it's got a laptop sleeve at the back and it goes all the way down. So whether you've got a camera in it or not, you can still always get your laptop in there. Laptop, iPad, anything. I've literally had a laptop and like a full A4 book in there before, so it holds up really well. You've also got like this little meshy thing, so I usually have like a notepad in this bit, and this is a good little thing as well, is if you're like into the gym like I am as well, you can still manage to get like a meal prep container in here with your cameras, laptop, and a book, so like a little notebook and a meal prep container. On this side as well, you've also got these two pockets, like I said before, with my sunglasses in one side, and you can have, I usually have like a power bank in there just to be sure. This also comes with like a rain protector, which I didn't actually need because this material, even if it gets wet, it doesn't like soak through. Don't hold me to that, like don't get your camera wet by going out standing in the rain with this. But it will hold up, apparently. So another thing that this has is this little thing here. It's like a back pocket. But what you can do is if you're walking with your iPhone, you can literally put like your power bank in here, and then let's put it that side so it comes up. So you can put your power bank in like that, and then you can literally zip this up and then have it like this. Then if you're walking, you can literally be charging on the go. You can literally just be walking down and have that plugged in and know that obviously you haven't got to have your power bank in your pocket, which can get very annoying. I've done that multiple times before. Ultimately, I would say this is the best travel backpack you can get for content creators, mainly because of the side pockets and the fact that you can just like quick draw your camera out. That's honestly like why I love this bag so much. Equally because it's got so many compartments. Even if I like my gym bag, right, I like to still have everything in like compartments. So I have like my pads in like the side of it. I have like my clothes in the middle of it. I'll have my boxing gloves like together but tied together. I hate that it's all just like, you know when people have all stuff like loose in a bag, I just can't deal with it. Oh, one thing I forgot, the pocket at the front is literally just like a normal pocket. You can get like a small book in there as well. And it also has two of those like mesh holders as well. At one point I had like 4 power banks in this thing, as well as my laptop and all of my cameras. I had 2 power banks in the front, a power bank in the side, and a power bank in this back pocket as well. And this was like one day where we was out walking like the whole time, and I was literally just swapping the power banks out that I was using to actually charge the phone at the time. Let's get rid of that. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you want to see next on the channel. Obviously, I think this relates with the type of content that I do, because I make videos on creating content and making money online, and I would definitely keep this in my inventory for doing so, especially if you plan to travel while making money. Hope that helps if you're looking to buy this bag, or you know, you just wanted to watch me touch my bag for a while. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. As I said before, I'm going to leave the link for it in the description below. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button. Peace.